Alright, how did your day go? Hmm? So as you're listening to me now, before I open my talk, wetin dey your mind? Hmm? You know that I will always give you the best deal when it comes to lands and properties. Okay, we deal with homes, estates, lands. If you want a luxurious home, we'll give it to you. If you want just land that you can buy, fence it, we'll also give it to you. If you want the one you can just buy, leave it. Also, sometimes you sell it back. Madam Pekle Africa, they I will give am to you. That be hold the key to that land and house. So quickly call Madam Pekle Africa on 09034296519. Okay, let me know if you need any property in any of our estates. Okay, all right, that's by the way. So how did your day go? How is your business doing? How is your work? What is that thing that you're doing currently? What is that thing that is giving you money? Ha. From the look of things, now one job no suppose dey enough for you. Now no be when we dey shout say have different stream of income. Now is compulsory, it's mandatory. um You suppose get like 10, 20, 30 things. Anywhere wey the money dey come from, here, grab am. Dey hear me? So far as it's legit, no do any illegal o. Once it's legal, grab am, do am, collect your money legit way. You understand? And that's why you need to also invest into real estate, because it's going to assist you if you need emergency money. If you want to build and you don't even intend to build immediately, you can buy lands and keep, and when you are ready to build, you resell it. By then your money will not depreciate, whether the dollar is 1,500 or 2,000 per dollar. It's at your own advantage, because whenever you are selling, you sell it at the current rate, so you get your money with good profit in it. Okay. You know say na always good things I dey bring for you. Make I come close. Na only good things I dey always bring for you, so make you come and good news on 09034296519. So I just say make I remind you this one or two tips before we sleep. I don't do well. I do well now. I'm actually very tired though. You understand? Cooking, work, everything. But as for Madam Good News where I be, I must drop the good news for you before I go sleep. All right. Have a good night rest. Bye.